Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're considering buying a Tesla in 2025, you're in for a treat because today we're breaking down how to apply for that sweet tax credit that could save you up to $7,500. That's right, the federal government wants to help you go electric and reduce your carbon footprint while padding your wallet. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is this tax credit? It's part of the Inflation Reduction Act, designed to make electric vehicles more affordable. For 2025, qualifying Tesla models like the Model 3 or Model Y could make you eligible for this credit, but there are a few key requirements. You need to be a U.S. citizen or resident, meet certain income limits, like a modified AGI under $150,000 for individuals, and buy a new Tesla that hasn't been previously owned. Now, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Head over to the IRS website or use their EV tax credit tool to plug in your details. This will confirm if you qualify based on your income and the vehicle you're eyeing. Step 2. Purchase your Tesla from an eligible dealer. Make sure it's a new 2025 model that meets the battery and assembly requirements. Most Teslas do, but double check. Step 3. When you file your taxes, claim the credit on Form 8936. You'll need to include proof of purchase, like the bill of sale, and ensure the vehicle was delivered in 2025. Oh, and a pro tip. If you're leasing instead of buying, you might still qualify, but the rules differ, so consult a tax professional. One common mistake? Forgetting to keep all your receipts and documentation. The IRS can audit you, so stay organized. Also, remember that these credits can change, so always verify the latest info on official sites. Wrapping this up, applying for the Tesla tax credit in 2025 is a straightforward way to make your dream car more affordable. If you follow these steps, you could be driving off in style while saving money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.